Welcome to AIQHome 5-Star Magazine, your go-to resource for reliable, up-to-date information on everything related to home improvement projects. Hi everyone, I'm Tal Henrik and I'm here to tell you about AIQHome. The renovation industry is often thought of as unknown territory for many homeowners, and very little inside information is available. With this in mind, we've created this magazine to bring transparency to the field and to provide homeowners with fair, honest, and reliable information to guide them through the renovation process. AIQHome features the best writers and leading content experts in everything from general home renovation to financing options. The content is tailored to different regions throughout the US so that you get the information that's most relevant to you. We're committed to sharing with you the latest trends and ideas from top experts to update you on creative financing options and to help you avoid common mistakes that occur during renovation projects. We can even help you find the best suited professional for your project, one who fits your precise requirements. Hundreds of thousands of readers visit us and we're constantly growing. We're thrilled and proud to have so many returning visitors who can count on us when it comes to our fields of expertise. We're always happy to receive feedback from our readers and viewers, and we're always glad to lend a hand. So tune in to our video magazine series and join our mailing list to be the first to know about new trends, read the latest feature articles, and always keep up to date on everything that's happening in the world of home improvement. Home is where AIQ is.